Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mathz and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to write numbers in expanded form. When we write a number in expanded form, we expand the number out to show the value of each digit. So, how much each digit is worth. This helps our overall understanding of numbers and our ability to work with numbers. So, let's jump on into our examples, starting with number 1 where we have 8625. To start writing a number in expanded form, we start with the digit furthest to the left, and then we work our way slowly to the right. So, let's begin with number 1. We have 8625. So, as I said, you start all the way to the left. So, what value does this 8 have? This 8 is in the thousand spot, so it has a value of 8. Oh, that's not a nice 8. 8,000. So, now we have our 8, we go to the right. So, what value is this 6? It's in the hundred spot. So, it's 600. So, the value of the 8 is 8,000, value of the 6 is 600. So, now we again move to the right, and this is in the tenth spot. So, we have a 2. This means the 2 has a value of 20. And last, all the way to the right, this is in the first spot, so in the first spot. So this 5 just has a value of 5. So this is basically how you do it, but it can be a bit confusing when when there's when they're putting zeros in the mix. So let's jump into the second one, where I made it a little bit harder, but still pretty easy. So we're gonna start all the way to the left, and you can see this number is pretty big, 708,330. So we know that we have 700,000. So this 7, the value of this 7, it is in the 100,000 spot. So the 7 has a value of 100 thousands, but 700 thousands. So 700,000. So now we move to the right, we see a 0. Now the 0 shows there aren't any 10,000s in this number. So we can just move again to the right to the 8. So we don't have to do anything with this 0. So to the 8. This 8 is in a thousand spot. Like this 8, it is 8,000 because it is in the thousand spot. 8,000. So now again, move to the right. We see a 3 and it's in the hundred spot. So this 3 has a value of 300. Move to the right again. It's in the 10th spot. So this 3 has a value of 30. And last, again to the right, it shows a 0. It shows there isn't any value to this 0, so we don't have to write it. So this is your answer for the second example. Okay, now we're going to go to the last example. This is a very big number, but still it's pretty easy. So we have 2,410,960. So we know we are above the millions, so we go all the way to the left. We know this is the millions spot. So we see a 2, and we immediately know that this 2 is worth 2 million. 2 million. My bad. 2 million. So now we got rid of the millions. We just basically have this one, but with different numbers. So our 4 is in the 100,000 spot. So the value of the 4 is 400,000. So now on to the right. Now we have a 1 in the 10,000 spot. So we know the 1 is worth exactly 10,000. Again, we move to the right, we see a 0, which is in the thousand spot. This shows there isn't any thousands in this specific number. So again, we move to the right, where we have a 9. The 9 is in the 100 spot, so it has a value of 900. Now, we're going pretty quick through this one. I hope you guys can understand it and follow me pretty nicely. So, on to the right again, we have a 6 in the 10th spot, so the 6 has a value of 60. And last, all the way to the right, again, we have a 0, which doesn't have any value, so we don't have to write it. So, this will be your answer of the last example. I hope you guys understood it now and like the video. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you can always leave a question in the comments. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.